Hey YouTube, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making this delicious Bolognese dinner. We're going to start by sauteing some onions and garlic. I want to do this for about a minute or two, then I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped celery and carrot. Once I've added my carrot, I let this sweat down for about 5 minutes before going in with my mince. Now I'm using beef mince. Just want to gently start breaking this apart and just give it a good mix, trying to incorporate everything together. This should take about 5 minutes. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead now and start seasoning my pot. I went in with some all-purpose seasoning of roughly about a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Again, give this a good mix. I like just using my spoon just to kind of, as much as possible, break the mince down. Then I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of tomato puree. I'm going to try and kind of create a gap so you can just fry off the tomato puree, because sometimes it can be a little bit bitter. After you've done this, just give everything a good mix. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my passata and my chopped tomatoes. Then I'm going to add about a cup of water. I just put the water in the box that the chopped tomatoes was in. Give it a good old mix and get everything out. Once you've done this, just give everything a really good mix. Going with a chicken bouillon cube, as well as I'd say about half a tablespoon of thyme. Now my thyme is always in the freezer. When I buy thyme, instead of it going off, I just put it in a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer, so it's just easy and less waste. Now this is completely optional. I went in with a pinch of dried chili flakes. Give that another good mix. Then I'm going to cover this. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to lower my heat, and I did let this cook for about an hour. You want to make sure you're stirring this at least every 20 minutes. So after this time, I did go ahead and stirred it. Then I added a little bit of my Italian herbs as well as some bay leaves. Give this another mix and just cover it and let it do its thing. Whenever I cook anything that's got like tomatoes in it, especially a very heavy tomato base, I do go in with a little bit of sugar, because it just helps to cut. Tomatoes can have that sour taste sometimes, so the sugar just balances out everything perfectly. It's not going to be sweet, you just need a little bit just to balance it. I also went in with a little bit of smoked paprika, as well as some chopped mixed peppers. My thing already, my things are always in the freezer. I do just buy the pack of mixed peppers, and just to add a little extra flavor. Now once you add your peppers, this should only be at least another 15 minutes and your bolognese should be ready. At this time, you can go ahead and cook your spaghetti or your pasta, whatever you're using. Just look at this, so good. It was actually so good. This is one of the meals that's thoroughly enjoyed in my house. Everyone's just coming for extras. I don't know where they're going to get extras from, but they keep coming. But anyway, don't forget to remove the bay leaves because you don't want that ending up in your mouth. And it's time to plate up. Now, I do like to go with a little bit of cheese on top of my spaghetti because, you know, I love when this is very cheesy. So this is completely optional. But yeah, just try it. Put a little cheese on your spaghetti. Now spoon over that luscious, hot Bolognese and just enjoy. Now, I did serve this up with some... Now, this is sharp cheddar American boy with some mature cheddar cheese. I do like mature cheddar cheese. Now, I served this up. I made some cheesy garlic bread on the side, and this was thoroughly enjoying. There you have it, guys. My spaghetti Bolognese dinner ready. You know, we have to go in and share a little bit with you. So yeah. Look at this, so good. Why is it when you're cooking a meal like this, you see, by the time it comes to it, like, you're so hungry. Like, I was just over this video, to be honest. I just wanted to eat, and then I just went in and took a bite. Said, let me show them. Say I'm taking a bite. I took a bite and camera just cut immediately, because you see when that hit your mouth and you just know, right, I'm so hungry now. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, leave me a comment, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.